Delivered new in December 1967 to its first London-based owner, finished in dawn blue with Grey VM3393 hides and matching hood. Optionally equipped with 5-speed manual transmission and power-assisted steering. One of only 140 examples built, this beautifully presented DB6 Volante has been the recipient of a complete restoration to the highest standards, all carried out by leading UK Aston Martin specialists. Beloved by a single owner for some 33 years, prior to being purchased and sold to Germany in 2010, the last owner repatriated the car to the UK in 2014, before enjoying the car sparingly and submitting it to a body-off total restoration, commencing in 2017. With the body removed, all chassis steelworks have been restored. The aluminium bodywork has been restored by marque experts Bodylines of Olney before being prepared and bare metal painted by renowned paint experts Spray Tec Restorations. The original matching numbers engine is fitted, now to 4.2 litre Vantage specification, was simultaneously rebuilt by Aston Martin engine specialists R S Williams Ltd, prior to installation and completion of the entire restoration this year. Completed and assembled by marque restoration specialist Adrian Johnson of Wharfdale in Yorkshire to the owner's exacting standards, this exceptional car has covered less than 500 dry weather miles since completion. Accompanying the DB6 Volante is a superb history file containing factory build sheet and early service records, DVLA ownership history details, multiple maintenance invoices whilst in overseas ownership, and a highly detailed photographic record of the first-class restoration. All restoration invoices are included in the file, along with a dynamometer record of the rebuilt engine's performance, showing a very healthy 290 brake horsepower with 286 foot-pounds of torque reading. Sublimely finished inside and out, this stylish and powerful, beautifully prepared example of the period sophisticated DB6 Volante, equipped from new with the desirable 5-speed manual transmission and power-assisted steering, is, when coupled to the powerful Vantage engine specifications, simply intoxicating to drive. Representing a superb opportunity for a discerning collector, this exceptionally well restored and beautifully finished DB6 Volante is now ready to be enjoyed by generations to come, on any grand tour, in elite concourse events, or standing out in any motor car collection. On show now at our Hertfordshire showrooms.